Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive deep into the specifications and performance of two powerful graphics cards from MSI, the Gaming GeForce RTX 4060Ti and the Gaming RTX 5070Ti. In this video, we will explore their features, performance metrics, and help you determine which card is the better choice for your gaming setup. Let's get started. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti offers solid performance for 1080p and 1440p gaming, making it a great choice for gamers looking for a balance between cost and performance. On the other hand, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti, built on the new Blackwell architecture, is designed for high-end gaming, promising significantly higher performance, especially in demanding titles. If you're aiming for the best gaming experience, the RTX 5070 Ti is the clear winner here. Both graphics cards come with 16 GB of VRAM, but the RTX 5070 Ti utilizes the newer GDDR7 memory, which offers faster speeds and improved performance in memory-intensive applications compared to the GDDR6 found in the RTX 4060 Ti. This advantage can be crucial for gamers and professionals who require high memory bandwidth for their applications. When it comes to pricing, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti is priced at $514, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers. In contrast, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti comes with a hefty price tag of $909, reflecting its high-end performance capabilities. While the RTX 5070 Ti offers superior features, the price difference is significant and may influence your decision based on your budget. In conclusion, both the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 Ti and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 4060 Ti is a great choice for gamers on a budget, while the RTX 5070 Ti is aimed at those seeking top-tier performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.